Good morning. I am Willy Forero. I am studying Technology World Civil University UPTC. Excuse me, I can well tell me where is Villanueva is. Uh, Villanueva is 145 kilometers from the city Jopal. Chopal, City Jopal, City Villanueva, eh, Villavicencio. The city is 112 kilometers wide. Villavicencio, Villavicencio, Villanueva is one the a half plane. Um, Entering the world, entering the world to the Taiwan, there are two schools. Schools one and two. Um, One the life is the Ezequiel. Ezequiel. Ezequiel Moreno School. And the one that reigns is the Fabio Rivero School. Fabio Riveros. When the life seated before rising the Fabio School is the Versalles Hotel in the of the Fabio Rivero School. There is a synthetic field, the Maracanã. 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 Fabio Fabio Rivera School. Fabio Rivera School. Fabio Rivera School. Y otro es Ezequiel Moreno y Díaz. Ezequiel Moreno y Díaz. Is 3 Achote. 3 Achote. Seguimos. Comment. Maracanã. Yes. How do I head to church? How do you get to church? To church. In train. Trying to second rise to right to go down to blocks. Yes, to blocks. You will feel the church on the left in the front. Why the front? Why the front of the park? Cutter corner from the church is church It's yours. It's yours. It's yours. Is the office mayor? Uh, office, office mayor. Alcaldía. Office mayor de Villanueva. Office mayor Villanueva. Ese es. Bueno, where is the notary? Yes, notary is at the first traffic line. At the first traffic line. At the first traffic lights, she is going starting to any street. Any street. Any street. Yes. Any street. To right is on your left side is the notary. Notary, notaria. Notaria is notary. Notary. This is notary. Notary Villanueva. It is a continuous train halt is with reaching the first department beginning is the library. Continuation is excuse me. Continuation is no library under is library hard copper bomber es este this is library this is library this is blurry bomber ahora how do you head to the police station? Arriving at the first line, arriving the first line, arriving the first line, to left, see, on the block white is the police station. Across the street is the playground. Aquí, playground. This is police station. Police station. Police station. This is across. Across the street is the playground. Playground. Yes, playground. Where is the supermarket? Where is near the first traffic lines across the street? There is the hotel next door. Street no, street hop, street hopper aquí. Supermarket, hotel, hotel next door. Y sería. Entonces, hotel, hotel y supermarket. Supermarket, Flor Plaza y hotel. Hotel Inter. Yes. Ahora. There is a tourist center, Piscilador 5 kilometers, supermarket. Piscilador Center, Piscilador, Tourist Center, Piscilador. Va 5 kilómetros. Está así, yes. River, Agua Clara. Continuum. Manantial, Piscilagos, manantial. Ese es Piscilagos, Center Turístico, manantial. Where is the river Los Arietes? Los Arietes River is one blood. One blood from the Children's Park on 30th Street. Children's Park, Children's Street, 13th Street y Parque Ecológico Los Arietes, Park Ecology, Caño Arietes o River Arietes. Entonces, aquí. Yes, is River Los Arietes. Yes, thank you very much. Bye bye.